If you're looking to step up your video podcasting game, Descript is a powerful tool that can completely change how you create, edit, and share your content. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to get started with Descript for video podcasting. And I promise, by the end of this video, you'll feel confident using this software like a pro. The best part? You can try Descript for free by using the link below with some exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. Stick around until the end because I'll also be revealing how you can get an extended free trial to help you dive deeper into this tool without any upfront costs. Now, let's dive in. Descript is known for its powerful and user-friendly interface, especially for podcasters looking to streamline their editing and production processes. It's a game changer when it comes to editing video podcasts. Unlike traditional editing software where you're cutting clips, adjusting audio levels, and piecing things together, Descript offers a unique approach. You can edit your video podcast like you're editing a Word document. Just click the text and delete, and the video automatically adjusts to match your changes. This makes it incredibly intuitive, even for beginners. One of the standout features is the automatic transcription. As soon as you upload your video podcast, Descript will transcribe the entire audio into text. Not only does this help you find specific moments quickly, but it also lets you remove filler words and awkward pauses with a single click. This means you spend less time editing and more time focusing on creating the content your audience loves. But let's talk about the video side of things. Editing video in Descript is just as easy. You can add or remove clips, adjust your pacing, and even apply captions automatically. This is especially helpful when you're producing video podcasts because captions can make your content more accessible and boost engagement. You can also layer in visuals, slides, or even insert pre-recorded segments, all within the same workspace. Now, Descript doesn't just stop at editing. Once your podcast is ready, you can export it directly to your preferred platforms. Whether you want to publish on YouTube, Spotify, or any other platform, Descript makes exporting super simple. For anyone recording their podcast on the go, Descript's screen recording feature is invaluable. You can record your podcast, including any screen captures, in high quality directly through the platform. And if you're editing a remote podcast with guests, you can take advantage of Descript's multi-track editing. It's a fantastic feature for making sure every voice sounds crisp and clear, even when you're recording remotely. Now, let me tell you a little secret about getting even more from Descript. By using the exclusive link in the description, you get access to an extended free trial. This means more time to explore all the features I've mentioned and get comfortable using them, whether you're a first-time user or someone who's already dabbled in editing. So, if you're ready to make your video podcasting workflow smoother and more efficient, Descript is the tool you need. Remember, you can start using it for free right now. And with our exclusive bonuses, you get access to even more features that'll help take your podcast to the next level. Make sure to grab that extended free trial using the link below. Trust me, it'll be worth it.